hike to a mountain hut and spend the night there. All the way up there. Going all the way up.
And action.
What's the action for?
And action.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
So how you feeling?
I'll be honest, it's easier than going up for some reason, even though I'm looking at, how far we would die.
Well, that's why you just don't think about that. Like, if you think about that, that's gonna make you more nervous. Where if you just relax.
Yeah, but at least I'll be able to prepare my knees for the fall.
Oh, your knees are gonna get like buckled out for the fall.
No, I'll be ready for it.
You can't prepare those knees.
I'll be ready for it.
Brings me back to one of the movies I used to watch when I was little.
What's up, man? What's up? You tired? You tired?
Yeah.
Why?
Just trying to catch my breath, regulate my breathing.
Oh yeah, gotta regulate.
Hey,
What do you think about this place?
it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Yeah. It'd be cooler on the S2K.
yeah,
You know.
I agree.
What is this? Oh. Oh.
That old lady just passed us, so she's probably 75 years old. She'll probably beat you to the top.
Oh, 100% will beat me to the top. I think I could borrow her. I should have asked her, can I borrow your poles? Your hiking sticks? I'm tired. I'm done. I'm not going back down.
the F is going on? They want to ski bad, huh? What the F? What the F is that?
That is hardcore
What
shit.
the F was that?
That is hard.
Skis with wheels on them.
Hardcore.
What in the F?
That's like cross-country rollerblades.
What in the F? Oh man, I want to be out there.
Rollerblades.
All right, I'm going to rent another car after this. This is fucking nuts.
Told you.